These are my top 5 seed starting tips. And just a quick disclaimer, there are so many different ways and methods that you can do seed starting. These are purely just based off of my personal experience and my opinion. For my seed starting tips, my number 1 tip would be to make sure you're using a good seed starting mix. Please don't use old soil, and make sure that your mix is light and airy, not compacted, so it's easy for your seeds to germinate. My second tip would be, after you've added your soil to your containers of choice, to use a tray for your seed starts. Your seedlings and seeds are going to require a lot of water, so you'd like that tray to help catch all the excess water from making a mess. Tip number 3 is kind of an obvious one, but it is important to label your seed name and date that you planted them. This helps prevent you from mixing up what you planted and also helps you track how long it takes for your seeds to germinate. Tip number 4, after you've moistened your soil, I recommend adding 1 seed per pod for larger seeds such as cilantro or some of your vegetable seeds, and then 2 to 3 seeds if possible for some of your smaller seeds such as the basil or dill. And then my final tip, after you've added a thin layer of soil and watered again, I recommend placing your seed starts in both a warm and sunny location. Your seeds are going to need warm temperature so that they will germinate, and then once they have sprouted, they need at least 6 hours of full sun to be able to grow healthy. If you don't have access to a warm and sunny location, I highly recommend a grow light. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.